I'm Daryl, and I work for Independent Catering. And who are you?
Nobody.
And who do you work for? Never mind. How old are you?
7 years old.
Fantastic. What are we making today?
Bread rolls.
What's in the bread rolls, Neil?
500 grams of flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of yeast. 30 grams of butter. 225 millimeters of warm water. And 75 millimeters of milk.
Woohoo! Let's do this. Let's measure out 500 grams of strong white flour to start. Just turn the scales on. Make sure they go to 0. We've washed our hands, haven't we?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, you tell me when it gets to 500. Ah, 500 spot on!
501.
Let's not worry about the 1, eh? What's 1 gram between friends? Right, what's next? 1 teaspoon.
Of salt.
Let me fetch a teaspoon. I should have.
I want to do it. Look at that salt.
Yeah, don't eat any salt. Too much salt is good or bad for you now.
Bad.
That's right. There you go. One of those. Can I help you? Are you okay? In it goes.
Like that.
Perfect. We'll put a little tiny bit more in because that was a bit short like you.
Oh, there are bumpy bits.
Yeah, it's sea salt. Sea salt. That's it. Perfect. What's next now?
Keep
your spoon.
2 teaspoons of dried yeast.
Okay, 1. Look at the camera. Smile. Say hi, everyone. Here's 1. Another one. Perfect. You'll get a job doing this one day.
Yay!
Right. 30 grams.
Of soft
Say
butter.
hello to those people.
Hello.
Put this in there for them.
Okay. Oh, my fingers.
Never
It's
mind.
so
You
sweet.
can wash your hands again and again and again. Right, let's now we're gonna rub. You wanna do some rubbing?
Yay!
Right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pinch in here. And we're gonna pinch and rub all the butter in until the flour looks like what? Breadcrumb? So let's pinch and you wanna do it or shall I help?
Me!
Alright, okay.
Me, I love baking.
Okay. Pinch and rub, pinch and rub.
Pinch and rub.
I'll just go and wash my hands. You carry on pinch and rubbing. Should I move this?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. I think you're nearly there now.
Pinch and rub. Pinch and rub.
Rub your hands together like that. That's it. Do the rest. Keep going. Fantastic job. I think you get a handshake from Paul Hollywood.
Wait, who's that?
Oh well, he's the god of baking.
Oh wow, I really want to
It's
meet
the
him.
housewife's favourite.
I feel like you're the god of baking.
Well, it's been said once or twice. Don't laugh, mummy. You're not allowed to laugh.
Stop.
See, this is a professional video. Come on, I'm sending all of this down. Come on then, come on.
I shall give you a death stare, Mum.
Give her
If
the
you
death
laugh
stare. Give it
again.
to her, give it to her. Yeah, no laughing in the kitchen. We're not here to have fun, we're here to make bread rolls, alright?
Well, it is fun.
Come on, keep rubbing. Can I check now? Come on. Right.
It's like you're slapping my hand.
Well, that's what I'm doing, isn't it? Right, go and wash your hands over there, just out of shot. We're doing it. Come on. Catch up.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm catching
Right, we're going to make a hole in the middle. And you know what we did? We kind of cheated because we measured out the milk and the water beforehand. And it is warm. Now, it's important that it's warm because if it's not warm, you'll be waiting forever for your dough to rise. Just going to wash my hands.
Oh, I thought it was pretzels.
What we use a fork to bring it together. Right, so now can you please pour that slowly into the middle of the flour. Whoa, look at the camera and say hello. I think we should move you over here. Look, put that down, put that down, put that down, put the jug down. Let's move. There you go. Now stand like that and then smile at the camera. She's pouring it in. And turn it back. Right. Fork. Just stir slowly. Try not to make a mess. Mum will tell us off.
It feels so soft.
And that's it. We're bringing the dry and the wet ingredients together. Keep going. Can I give you a hand?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm independent.
Yes, chef. Well, you're working for the right company, aren't you?
Yeah, independent.
That's independent. That's what we call it. Independent catering.
Independent
So,
catering.
when you're bigger, are you going to cook for schools or are you going to do
Now,
something
can
else?
you hold the bowl?
Yes, of course I can. It's the very least I could do.
Hold it?
Yep. Can I help you here?
No, I'm
Uh-huh.
fine.
Do you like your school dinners at school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
They serve us pasta, roast dinner,
Yeah.
chips and fish.
Yeah.
What did I say that the wrong way?
Do you get fresh bread at your primary school?
Yeah.
Do you?
I have bread rolls.
We make fresh bread at our schools every day and we have a huge salad bar.
Can I?
Yes. But listen, we're going to do this together. I'm going to show you and then you're going to copy me, okay?
Okay. My hands are weird.
We're going to get whatever dry in the bottom there. Right, let's just bring it together. And I'm going to put a little bit of flour on our counter. This is clean as well. Everything was cleaned and sterilised before we started. Right, wait.
Oh. Wait, what are you? Oh, flour.
Stop it from.
Sticky?
Yes. I want you to push, pull. You can do anything you like.
Okay.
You just got to keep pushing it, pulling it. And I'm going to go. You keep doing that.
Okay. This is making me dizzy.
Listen. Rub a little bit of flour into your hands like that before you start. That's it. Go on then. Off you go. Okay. I'm going to wash the bowl here. Okay, so I think that's it. What do you think, little chef?
Ready?
Is it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Phony audience?
Yes. Wait, what?
Let's go. So we're going to oil our bowl. Why are we oiling the bowl, do you think? To stop...
To make it tasty?
No, to stop the dough from...
Sticky.
Yes.
Why is it always a problem?
Lightly oil the bowl, like this. You can use a piece of kitchen roll if you really wanted to.
Now your hands
That
are
looks
oily.
fantastic. It's smooth. It's smooth. It's all come together. There's plenty of kneading been done, and it's as smooth as a baby's bottom. That goes there. What do we cover it with?
Baby's bottom.
Yeah. And now we're going to cover it with a damp tea towel while it proves for about an hour till it's doubled in size, and the damp tea towel, stop it from drying out. Voila! What should we go and do now? Learn the guitar, jump on the trampoline, go and play in the garden.
Trampoline with you.
Go! Let's go!
First I need to wash my hands.
Yes, you do. Okay, so the dough's proved, and how big is that? Beautiful, huh? Massive, double the size. It's been about an hour, just over maybe. We had a bit of fun on the trampoline. All right, so we're just going to tip it out. Oh, famous last words.
Oh my god.
Right, okay. Now we're just going to knock it out gently. Just flatten it out a bit. Yeah?
Can I do it?
Okay, yeah, you do it. There you go. That's enough. That's enough. We're not needing it all over again. That's enough. That's enough. Just to get the air bubbles out.
Oily.
Just be gentle. Yeah, it's a little bit oily. Right, we'll just get it smooth again. Smooth ball. Right. Now, we're going to cut it into 8. You can, if you want exact same size buns, you can measure them, weigh them, make sure they're all exactly the same. I don't mind one bun that's slightly bigger than the other, do you?
No.
As long as you get the big one, right?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to have 8 almost the same size pieces. So I basically cut it into quarters and then cut it again.
Again.
And again. And there we go. Right, we should have, how many there? Count them, please, madam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect. 8 buns. Right now, if you pick one of these up, you can have a go as well. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to flatten it a bit. See this side? Look at what you're doing. Watch me first before you start. Watch me. I'm going to pull this and pinching the edges underneath. And then I turn it and I make it into a ball like that.
Okay.
How's that? Can you do that? Or you kind of there. Can I help?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. I'll do this one.
Pendulum.
Watch what you're doing.
Okay.
Listen, underneath. Tuck it in. Pinch. Is everybody watching? Look at that beautiful smooth ball. Can I help you with yours?
I'm terrible.
No, you're not terrible. Let me help you with
How
yours.
do I do it?
Right, so look, it's all smooth. Your hands are quite small, let's be honest. Maybe we have to make really mini rolls so that your hands are big enough to make the ball.
Yes. I get my own roll.
Yes. Right, try again anyway. So I'm spreading it out like that, and then I'm going to tuck all the edges in. You're close. That's it, you're getting closer. Now turn it and pinch. Look, pinch this bit at the bottom, and then we're going to tuck it under, and that's it. What do you think? You're close again. Let me finish your one.
No.
Look, I tell you why, because see this bit here? That'll show up as a messy.
How do I make these?
Well, I've practiced once or twice, I must admit.
Don't.
Okay, but you're doing pretty well, I must say. Look, so we've got a circle, you've got a triangle. Let's get you a circle.
Okay.
Right, there's a circle, now try and do that, yeah? And then we squeeze in the bottom, look, and turn it as well. That looks pretty good now. Can I just finish it for you? Because
No, it's fine.
put that one there. Go on, put it there. You've got the biggest one. Look at that. Ginormous.
You said my hands were tiny.
Say hello. Say hello this way.
Hello, peeps I do not know.
Let's start with a circle.
Yeah, I'm doing
Oh, I'm
it.
just helping you. I'm not doing it for you.
I'm independent.
You are independent caterer, aren't you?
Yeah.
Who did that?
Independent catering. Wait, catering or catering?
I feel like a sprinter about to go. Just don't look like one. Look like I've eaten a sprinter. Right.
Dad, you're not.
Now we're just going to push him down a little bit. Do you want to push him down? Not completely flat. A bit more than that. Come on, give it some welly. That's it. And that one. 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 Right, now. Unfortunately, we have to prove them again. Okay?
And again. And
So they are
again.
different sizes, but they'll be beautiful when they're finished.
Yeah.
What should we do whilst these are proving? Okay, so the rolls have been proving for another hour.
Yeah.
If you'd like to unveil them, have a look. Whoa! So they've doubled in size again. Now what we need to do, so these are well, just tap. And tap. That's it, keep tapping. Perfect, that's enough. Whoa!
That's a bit too much.
It might be a little bit too much. Okay, now just need to put them in the oven. So this is our oven is a fan oven. It's not the best oven in the world. It's we've got it on 210. On a fan oven, it should be 200 for maybe 10 to 12 minutes. This one might be a little bit longer, and we'll see you when they come out. Oh, what have we got now?
We've
Oh,
got
don't touch the tray, it's very hot.
bread rolls.
Happy?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Let me
But
try.
they're stuck together.
Well, we can tear them apart. That's the beauty of these rolls. Right, let's just we're going to put them onto this board. And I'll get rid of the hot tray. There we go. How's that? And that. Now look at the camera. What are they?
Bread rolls.
Do they smell good?
Maybe.
They smell good. And we're going to have them, should we have one warm in a little while with some butter? Well done, little chef. Say bye-bye to everybody, and we're going to go and eat these. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.